I've had a few people ask how to onboard your staff and your clients. Most specifically, there's been a lot of discussion as well about how to onboard with virtual assistants, but this applies to anybody. How do you onboard somebody? How do you train them about your culture? There's Trainial that's out there, which is a great program. You can create websites within Google. I've done a lot of these things, but the most simple thing I've done is connecting a Google document with Slack. And I'm just going to show you how to do that really quickly because it's been ultra effective for us. So first thing, you want to connect Slack with your with Google Sheets or whatever they call it for their Word document, slack.com. Go into Slack, you come down, you got to find their app store. Everyone gets crazy hung up about integration, automation, API. Here's a little trick for you when you're doing anything with Slack. Just go right here to their app directory. Whatever you want to do is pretty much already done for you. That's why I like Slack. And let's hit in Google Drive. So right there would be Google Drive. I would click that, and that would then connect my Slack and my Drive so everything talks. Okay, so now how do I create the document? Let's go into Chrome actually for that. Jump into Chrome. I'm in Google Docs. This is free. Go right here. And this doc, so we can search it, is going to be about, what do people love? Quoting. Well, not quoting. We'll do easy links. AMS. Plug in any AMS here. How instruction needs to take place is you give it a title. How to pull commissions. Step 1. Then you write the dictation. First you click here, then blah, 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 blah. All that stuff. Right below that, this is really powerful. Right below that, you want to have recorded your screen and created a link that basically backs up everything that you just said. So they have now, your staff, your team, your virtual assistant has now read it. When they click on that link, they've now heard it. They've now seen it on the screen. If it didn't resonate, they go back and they watch it again. Don't make these freaking videos 15 minutes long. It's easier to hit it in chunks of, 1 minute to 3 minutes. Make the videos like that. If you're going 15 minutes on something, you've already bored the heck out of your whole audience, even your own team. Once you finish this, you're all done. Video's in, you're good. You hit share. And now you've connected Google. You hit get shareable link. This is where everybody loses it. Hit this button right here that says can edit. What that means is anybody else, when they go in, they can edit, change. If something happens within this systematic process, it can be changed and edited. So we would copy the link, and now we jump into Slack and set it up. Here's Slack. Let's go into the insurance channel. Actually, yeah, that's good. I'm just going to send it to myself. I would just hit Control V, or I'm pasting it in here. There is that Google document. In fact, one sec, I would do it like this. I would hit Control V, and then before that, I would put what the document's about in caps lock, so it's searchable. Easy links, and then I would hit enter. Reason being is they can come up here in the search box and they can navigate all through your freaking agency to find whatever they need. So it's like, oh, easy links. Boom, I type it in. There's easy links. I click on this document right here. Click. It takes me back right over to here. They can edit, they can watch, they can view, but everybody knows how to do everything. It's fully editable. It's always editable. Your systems can change, develop, but you have something. When building systems and processes, utilizing and leveraging Slack, 2 acronyms. I always say 2 acronyms. KISS. Keep it simple, stupid. Don't make it so freaking hard. Number 2, MVP. Minimal viable product. Put something out there for your staff and for your team. Put something out there for your virtual assistant. It doesn't have to be perfect, but dictation and a video recording what you do, I promise you can scale agencies and go crazy. This is my Friday favor. Hope it helps somebody. Again, we're having a lot of great results using this technique. But Friday favors, loving it. Hoping others can do them.